sure.
So here we are. We're over at a place to brew. Nottinghamshire's Homebrew Collective. And here's a look inside. It's a monthly, pay monthly, and in various different amounts for depending on how far you want to get into brewing. But yeah, these guys are on another level to my sort of home brewing. There you go. I'll do half and then I'll do the second half because it's shorts are brilliant. Although to be fair. So yeah, here's all the mash tun, kettle, copper. You'd think I'd know all these names off by heart, but I still forget. There you go. Ooh. And there you go, look at the setup here. And if you're interested in home brewing is fantastic. Trust me, when you can pay a fraction of the cost you can in pubs these days, although you should always support your pubs for obvious reasons, but nonetheless, brewing your own beer is an amazing hobby. And there we go, look at the kit. And there we go.